In this video, we will discuss order of precedence. Order of precedence determines in which order the execution of operands is done. For example, I have 3 plus 5 into 2. If I do the calculation from left to right, then first will be addition, then multiplication, so the answer will be 16. However, if I do multiplication first, then addition, answer will be 13. I have done the execution in two ways here. If I will not have order of precedence, then my calculations will be done in different ways. That's why JavaScript introduced order of precedence. Let's see an example. I have an example in console log. Let's see the steps. For instance, in console log, I have 10 into 3 plus 5. And multiplication will be done first, then addition. In console log, the answer will be 35. The higher precedence is operated first, then next. Like plus plus operand here. Its precedence is higher, so plus plus will be done first. The value of x is 5. First, it has done addition. Plus plus x equals to 6. Second step is multiplication. 10 into 3 would be 30. Then minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus 24 into plus 5 equals to minus 19. In output, we got the answer minus 19. Let's move further. Next, we have value of x is 5 and y is 6. So we have x into y and x not equals to y and x is greater than y. We check precedence. First 5 into 6 is 30, then 30 and the value of x is 5 is not equal to y, which is 6. Then x is 5 greater than 6. I have precedence of greater, which is false. Then I have precedence of not, which is true, and then 30 as it is. Then we have precedence of and, which is true, and the end answer is true. Let's look at another example, in which value of x is 3 and y is 2. In this condition, a is x plus equal to y, not double equal to y or y, then small brackets. In small brackets, y plus equal to 2. And these small brackets have high precedence, it will be solved first. Y equals to plus 2, then the value of y will be 4. Then we have precedence of not equals to x is not equal to y. It is true. Then true and 4 is also true. If condition is true but last step, then the answer will come like this. We will get 7. In this way, the orders of precedence are executed. More details are on the NDN website. You can check there.